Namaste students, welcome to WinMaths. This is your mathematics teacher Vinayak Tony. Today in this video we are going to learn about some story problem on division. Let's take a problem. If 225 liters of water is supplied to a family, how many families can be supplied with 42,075 liters of water? After reading this question, we will come to know that they are given two things. First thing, each family they are supplied with 225 liters of water. Total quantity of water is 42,075 liters. So these are the two they are given, and they are asking that how many families can be supplied. Means if we make this one as a group of 225 liters, how many groups will become? So that is the question they are asking. So to find the number of families can be supplied, first we will write given data. Answer: quantity of water supplied to a family equals to 225 liter. Each family is taking 225 liters of water. Total quantity of water equals to 42,075 liter. They are asking us to how many families it is sufficient with the rate of 225 liters. To find number of families can be supplied, which operation we need to do? So that we will choose that one by understanding this question. Just imagine that this is the big quantity of water which they are given, 42,075 liters tank is there. We are supplying small amount of tanks. Just imagine these are the small tanks. Each tank is carrying 225 liters. This tank is also carrying 225 liters. This can also carry 225 liters. What I am doing, I will take a water from this and I will fill this tank and I will supply to one family. Same way, I will take a remaining water from this. I will take again 225 liters and I will supply to the second family. Until how many times we can do? So that is the question they are asking. Here, if you look at this, we are taking. Taking means what it is? It is a subtraction. We are doing repeated subtraction with the same quantity. Because of that, we will say that this problem is based on the division. So therefore, we will take total amount of water 42,075 liter divided by number of liters supplied to each family is 225. By that we will divide. Once we divide this, we will get the final answer. So we came to know that we need to divide this number by this number. The number which will come before the division sign will be called as dividend. The number which will come after the division sign will be called as divisor. So I wrote these two in the division sign. Now I am going to form the table of 225. So how to find? Just look at this. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 2. We started from ones, then we went to tens, then we went to hundreds. Same way we will multiply with a 2, starting from ones place to highest place. 2 into 5, 10, 1 carry. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1 carry, 5. 2 into 2, 4. Same way we will do with a 3. 3 into 5, 15, 1 carry. 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1 carry is 7. 3 into 2, 6. We got it as 675. We will do the next number. 4 into 5, 20. 0, 2 carry. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2 carry. 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1 carry. We got it as 9. Total we got product as 900. Now we will go to the 5. 5 into 5, 25. 2 carry. 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 2 carry, 12, 2 here, 1 carry, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 1 carry, 11. We got product as 1125. Next we will multiply with 6, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 1 carry, 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. We got product as 1350. 7 we will multiply, 7 into 5, 35, 3 carry, 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 7 here, 1 carry, 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. We got the product as 1575. Now we will multiply with 8. 8 5s are 40, 0, 4 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 0, 2 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 2 carry, 80. We got the answer as 1800. Now we will multiply with 9. 9 5s are 45, 5, 4 carry, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 2 here, 2 carry, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. We got answer as 2025. And last, whenever we will multiply with the tens and all, we will write the same number like this, 1 into 225, 225, and we will add this 0 on the right side. We got the answer as 2250. Here we got tables. Now I will start dividing. If I take first digit, it is smaller. 2 digits, if I join, again 2 smaller. If I join the 3 digits, we got 420. Nearest multiple of that means 2 is more than 420. So 1 I will take that 1 225. After subtracting, I will get 10 minus 5, 1. Here I will get 9. Here I will get 1. Now I will take 7 down. If I take 7 down, nearest multiple of this will be 8 8 I selected 1800. Now after subtracting 7, 5, 1 and it will be 0. I will take this 5 down. I got next as 1575, which is 7 7. I got 1575. We got the remainder as 0. So this is my final answer. After dividing, we got the answer as 187. Hence, required answer is 187.